हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज्ड रिंग। तो हमें इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करनी है। एक यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज्ड रिंग है हमारे पास और उसके कारण हमें क्या निकालनी है, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। फॉर दिस हम क्या करेंगे, इसके लिए सबसे पहले तो हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए, एक चार्ज रिंग होनी चाहिए। दिस इज अ चार्ज रिंग, एक कोई रिंग है चार्ज, सेंटर O है और रेडियस अगर ले लें तो रेडियस A मान लेते हैं। सेंटर O से x डिस्टेंस पर कोई पॉइंट P ले लेते हैं हम, जिस पर हमें इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करनी है। सो लेट बी सपोज द चार्ज इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर दिस रिंग एंड द नेट चार्ज ऑन दिस रिंग इज Q। टोटल चार्ज इस रिंग पे Q है। हमें क्या करना है, P पॉइंट पे इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करना है। तो इसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले एक काम करना पड़ेगा। हम क्या करेंगे, एक स्मॉल एलिमेंट लेंगे इस रिंग का ए बी, अगर यहाँ बोथ साइड ले सकते हो, और लेट बी सपोज देयर इज अ चार्ज डी क्यू, हियर आल्सो डी क्यू। सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज, due to this small charge. So this is the electric line of force and the direction of this is, so this is the electric field due to this charge, and similarly here from here the intensity of electric field is in this direction, so this is delta E. Now let me suppose this point P is at r distance from this charge, small charge dq. So and this angle is, let me suppose, theta. Now intensity of, first we have to find the intensity of electric field due to this charge. So intensity of electric field due to uh, due to a small charge dq is delta E. This is dq, so we can also write it d. So not delta, we can also write delta or d. So here the charge is dq, so we will denote the electric field is, it is also very small, so we can write it by using de. So dq de will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught dq upon r square. What is r square here? R square is r is the distance between a, b and p. We can find r by using Pythagoras theorem. So r will be root x square plus a square. Also we can write x square plus a square whole power 1 upon 2. So dE will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught dq upon r square, that means x square plus a square. So this is the electric field intensity at point P due to this small charge dq. Now we have to find that intensity of electric field at point P due to this whole ring. So what we have to do, first we will resolve this d or this d in components. So first I am am resolving this component. So this is the component in x direction and this will be the component in y direction. This is theta, this will be also theta. Therefore, this component will be dE cos theta and this will be dE sin theta. Similarly, the component of this dE will be here dE cos theta and there will be dE sin theta. So what is happening here? dE sin theta cancel each other. D on resolving dE in components dE sin theta cancel each other. Hence, electric field at P due to whole ring will be E equal to sigma dE cos theta. Why sigma dE cos theta? Because the component dE cos theta of AB is in this direction. Similarly, the dE cos theta of this AB will be in this direction. Also here it is there will be a small charge particle dq and the component dE cos theta will also in same direction. So this dE cos theta will added and gives the net intensity at point P. So we can find cos theta by this triangle. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is r and the value of r is x square plus a square whole power 1 upon 2. So E will be, what is del dE? dE is here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught dq upon x square plus a square and cos theta is x upon x square plus a square whole power 1 upon 2 and here sigma. So these are the constant. E will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught x upon x square plus a square whole power 1 and 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and sigma dq. Why sigma dq? Because we are adding the charge in this whole ring and net charge of this sigma dq we can write sigma dq is equal to q. Therefore, E will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught qx upon x square plus a square whole power 3 upon 2. This will be the formula for electric field intensity at point P due to this whole ring. We can find the intensity of electric field at the center of this ring. So let x will be 0, then E will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, x will be 0, so here we have intensity of electric field will also 0 because here x will be 0, so E also 0. That means the intensity of electric field inside the at the center of the closed ring will be 0. So this is the formula this is the formula for intensity of electric field due to the uniformly charged ring. Thank you.